Hey everyone, in today's video we will learn how to check the RPM, that is revenue per mille, and CPM, cost per mille, that is per thousand views for your channel or any specific video. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, the first most important part is if your channel is monetized or not. There are certain criteria for your channel to get monetized, and the RPM and CPM is only visible once your channel is monetized. So this is my latest channel, YouTube with Saave. It's not monetized, so you can't see the revenue tab over here. However, if I go to my other channel which is monetized, so when I click analytics, you can see revenue tab appearing over here. And when you click on it, can scroll down and find the RPM details. So you can see for this channel, for my videos, my RPM is $0.11 for per thousand views. For shorts, it's $0.04 per $1,000, and for live, it is $4 per thousand views. Right? So this is the RPM, that is revenue you get for per thousand views. And this is only visible once your channel is monetized. So what's the basic difference between RPM and CPM? RPM is what you get paid out. CPM is what is being paid by advertisers to YouTube, right? So to check CPM, you go to any specific video for which you want to check. So let's say now this is my recent videos. I just go to revenue. You can see my revenue per thousand views is $2.55, right? But what's the CPM? What is YouTube being paid by advertisers? They are being paid $6 per thousand monetized views. So it's approximately, you can say, 50 to 60% what YouTube is taking as the revenue commission out of this, and I'm being paid $2.55 out of it. So that's the basic difference between CPM and RPM. And you can check the CPM over here. And playback based means the views which are monetized. So it might happen that an older video of you has views, but the initial views were when the channel was getting monetized, and those were not monetized views, right? So that's why playback based means whichever views are monetized, for those the playback based CPM will reflect, and the revenue is what you get per thousand views. I hope this is clear. For any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.